Familiarize yourself with the 2018 Nissan Titan. A durable pickup truck seating as many as 3 occupants with ease.
Nissan perfected each and every component on the exterior surface. This vehicle achieves a sporty stance when viewed from all angles.
Top features include air conditioning, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, speed-sensitive wipers, a trip computer, a front bench seat, remote keyless entry, and more.
Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain.
The 2018 Nissan Titan. With potent V8 power and performance equipment integrated throughout, this pickup successfully merges advanced capability with comfort and agility, distinguishing itself from the competition with its cargo capacity, towing capacity, and ruggedness.